Carlsbad is a city in North County, San Diego County, California, United States. The city is 87 miles, 140 kilometers, south of Los Angeles and 35 miles, 56 kilometers, north of downtown San Diego and is part of the San Diego-Carlsbad, California Metropolitan Statistical Area. Referred to as the Village by the Sea by locals, Carlsbad is a tourist destination. The city's estimated 2014 population was 112,299. Among the nation's top 20 wealthiest communities, Carlsbad is the fifth richest city in the state of California with a median household income close to $105,000. Carlsbad's history began with Oiseño people, the Spanish name given to them because of their proximity to Mission San Luis Rey. Nearly every reliable freshwater creek had at least one native village, including one called Pulamay. The site is located just south of today's Aguadilla Lagoon. The first European land exploration of Alta California, the Spanish Portola expedition of 1769, met native villagers while camped on Buena Vista Creek. During the Mexican period, in 1842, the southern portion of Carlsbad was granted as Rancho Aguadilla to Juan Maria Marin. In 1952, Carlsbad was incorporated to avoid annexation by its neighbor, Oceanside. Carlsbad is home to the nation's largest desalination plant. Construction of the $1 billion Carlsbad desalination plant at the Encina Power Plant was completed in December 2015. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 39.1 square miles, 101 square kilometers, of which 37.7 square miles, 98 square kilometers, are land and 1.4 square miles, 3.6 square kilometers, are 3.55% water, the majority of which is contained within 3 lagoons and 1 lake. The northern area of the city is part of a tri-city area consisting of northern Carlsbad, southern Oceanside and western Vista. The Oceanside cliffs fronting wide white sand beaches and mild climate attract vacationers year-round. Carlsbad has a semi-arid Mediterranean climate and averages 263 sunny days per year. Winters are mild with periodic rain. Frost is rare along the coast, but sometimes occurs in inland valleys in December and January. Summer is almost rain-free, but sometimes overcast and cool with fog off the Pacific. While most days have mild and pleasant temperatures, hot dry Santa Ana winds bring high temperatures on a few days each year, mostly in the fall. Carlsbad's core industries include information technology, video game development, manufacturing, robotics, medical devices, life science, wireless technology, clean technology, action sports, tourism, design development and real estate. In 2013, Google named Carlsbad the digital capital of California with the strongest online business community. Carlsbad is also known as the Titanium Valley because of it being the golf manufacturing capital of the world. With Callaway Golf Company, TaylorMade Adidas Golf Company, Cobra Golf, Titleist, and Odyssey Golf all located in Carlsbad,